Stop letting credit card interest drain your bank account. Here are 5 ways to crush that debt fast. Tip 1. Use the debt snowball. List your debts smallest to largest. Total focus on killing the smallest one first to build massive psychological momentum. Tip 2. Switch to the avalanche. If you want to save the most cash, attack the card with the highest interest rate first while paying minimums on the rest. Tip 3. Make bi-weekly payments. Don't wait until the end of the month. Pay half your minimum every 2 weeks. You'll end up making an extra full payment a year without noticing. Tip 4. Call for a 0% balance transfer. Move your high-interest debt to a 0% introductory card. Just make sure you pay it off before the promo period ends. Tip 5. Automate your spare change. Use apps that round up your daily purchases and throw that extra money directly at your balance. Every dollar counts. Which method are you starting with today? Drop a comment below, hit follow, and let's get your financial